Hey you are, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. I really appreciate you all. So for the new subbies, welcome. For my old subby, thank you very much for staying on my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve a nice bun, a sexy bun, elegant bun. Let's get started. So you can see I have already sectioned my hair into two parts. This is the way the back side looks like, and this is the front side. I have already braided this part here. Hope you can see this part, guys. And I'm going to braid this other part. So I'm not good in braiding, but I'm trying. So I'll start with this side.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in this hate, going louder, we are all one color. Standing in their way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadows, shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in their shade. Going louder, we are all one color. Standing in their way. Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. talk behind your back. Chase a light when the world is.
So guys, thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.